Now, here are the three productive ways that you can use your data. The first way that you can use your data so that it will be productive for you is to use it and learn a digital skill. Now, there are instances where people put on data in their phone, especially we in Nigeria. You put on data and then you use it and go on a frenzy and watch comic videos and watch all those comedians, and then you just catch your cruise. But then there are productive ways you can use your data, and one of them is to use that data and learn a digital skill. You can actually invest your time, your resources, and your data once you put in your data in your phone and use it and learn a digital skill like copywriting, UI UX designing, how to run Facebook ads, how to run Google ads. You can be productive and use that data to learn a digital skill that you can use to make money in return. You are seeing how this is productive for you, right? Now, do this so that the data you put in your phone will be productive for you. Now, that is the first way to use your data in a productive way. Now, the second way that you can use your data so that it will be productive for you is to consume videos so that you can learn. Now, if as a content creator or you want to create content for a living, now you are going to have to consume videos. Okay, you are going to consume videos of other creators so that you can learn from them. Now, when you consume those videos, that's when you get ideas of the kind of videos you like and the kind of content you want to create and the creators that you want to follow. Now, you follow these creators and then you use them to gain experience so that you can use and make your own content. So once you put data in your phone, consume content deliberately so that you can be able to learn one or two things that will help you in the future. Okay, that is the second way that you can use your data productively. Now, the third way and the final way that you can use your data productively is to create content and post them across all your social media platforms. Now, I can't emphasize the importance of creating content. In this social media day and age, content creation is making people a lot of money, me included. So I urge you that once you put data on your phone, don't just use that data anyhow and watch funny videos and all that, but then put that data to work. And one of them is to create content and post them on across all your social media platforms. I don't want this video to be very long, so I hope you find this video productive and you have learned a thing or two that you're going to do with your data. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.